All right, so we are here at the ASBMR 2021. Welcome everybody, my name is Diego Grinman from Yale University, and we are here with Marta. She's going to talk about her work. Marta, you want to introduce yourself to the HubLE audience?
Sure. I'm an associate research scientist in Columbia University in the lab of Stavrola Kusteni, and we mainly work in bone marrow microenvironment and the interaction with leukemia cells. Great. So Diego was asking me what I'm going to present in ASBMR, and I haven't think about this before to explain it, but basically my work is focused in the crosstalk between the leukemia cells and the bone marrow niche, and I'm going to show like a novel AML proliferative mechanism that basically what does is hijacking the niche to like induce the proliferation of leukemia. And I don't want to get into details because you can come to the talk, but basically the whole point is that we have seen that this mechanism is happening in mouse models, but also in human samples and in xenografts, and we are able to like target the mechanism from the osteoblast side of the crosstalk or the leukemia side of the crosstalk. And in both cases, what we see is either like hampering of the leukemia or a complete like protection for the leukemia. So we think that one of them, I didn't talk about that, but one of the main problems with leukemia is basically that right now the treatment is the same for the last 50 years, and usually is either a hematopoietic stem cell transplantation that is not an option because of the age of the patient, or just chemotherapy. So in most of the cases, after like having a reduction in leukemia, the patients relapse. So the idea is that there is like a need in the field to like find new targets that are not like cancer-centered, but more like needs-centered.
Right.
So that's what we were trying to like investigate.
Right, that's awesome. And what do you think are the next steps in your investigation?
Well, I mean, the project is massive, so there is a lot to show, but we identify like molecules that are secreted both from the osteoblastic side and the leukemia side. And the approach that we are like now doing more is targeting the one that is secreted from the leukemia side, because it's the one that is more translational in that sense. But one thing that we want to investigate is if modulating the secretion of the factor that is induced by leukemia on osteoblasts would also have an effect in like dampening this leukemia progression.
Right. So there you go. Marta also got an award. So congratulations on your work.
Thank you.
Congratulations on the award, and see you around for more science in the ASBMR 2021.
Bye.